Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. I welcome you to this webinar on how to create stunning images with AI. I'm thrilled to have you all here, ready to embark on a journey into the fascinating world of generative AI and its incredible potential for image creation. But before we dive in, let me paint a picture for you. Imagine a world where the boundaries between imagination and reality blur, where creativity knows no limits, and where the canvas of possibility is stretched beyond our wildest dream. That world is not a distant future, it's here today, powered by the magic of artificial intelligence. I am John Luca, and I'm about to take you on an exhilarating ride through the wonders of generative AI. We'll explore how AI tools like Bink Create, Here, and Leonardo AI can transform the way we conceive and create images. Our focus today will be on 3 exceptional AI tools. The third is my favorite, so better stick around. Let's start with the basics. What is AI? Well, artificial intelligence, or AI as we commonly refer to it, refers to machines or software that demonstrate human-like intelligence. They can learn from experience, adapt to new information, and perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Now, let's zoom in on generative AI. It's like having a digital Picasso at your fingertips. Generative AI involves creating something new, whether it's art, music, or even text using algorithms. Today, our focus is on the visual aspect, that is, generating stunning images that captivate and inspire. The power of generative AI lies in its ability to turn simple prompts into intricate and mesmerizing creations. And that's where our journey begins today. We'll kick things off by exploring Bink Create, Here, and Leonardo AI. Each of these tools bring its own unique flair to the canvas, allowing you to unleash your creativity in unprecedented ways. And now, for the moment you've been waiting for, let's dive into the practical demonstrations of these incredible tools. First up, we have Bink Create. Watch as we take a simple prompt and transfer it into a visually stunning masterpiece in real time. Once you load the link, you will be brought up here. All you need to do is just to type what you want to create. I'm going to use this prompt: a brightly colored flower with a butterfly on it. So let's create and see what this AI engine will give us. It may take some time depending on your network condition. Now look at these beautiful images that have been generated for us with just a sentence. Look at this. To download any, just click these 3 dots and then download, and then open your file, and that is. The resolution is okay. Even as I zoom, I'm not losing resolution. You have 4 of these images. You can choose any one you want to use. Go ahead and try this prompt on your device and see what you come up with. Isn't that amazing? Now, before we move on to our next tool, I want to take a moment to invite you to subscribe. If you are enjoying the incredible transformations we are witnessing today and want to stay in the loop for future webinars, tips, and more, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you are not just staying informed, you're becoming a part of a community that is reshaping the creative landscape with AI. So, a subscribe to the channel will be stunning. Fantastic. Now, let's continue our exploration with the next tool, Decohere. Decohere creates images in real time as you type the prompts. Incredible, isn't it? But we are not done. Brace yourself for the grand finale. I told you, the last one is my favorite. Leonardo AI. Let's begin by entering some simple prompts and see what it gives us. For Leonardo AI, go to the link on the screen. I have it loaded up already. So what you do is that you just go to launch app if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, click this create an account. You don't need to pay anything yet. Launch app. It will launch the app in a new tab. Then click on image generation or create new image. This is what you have. Now, something you should know here is that any image you create, you will be charged a certain number of coins as shown on this by this button. Here you have new coins. You have 150 coins in every 12 hours. So you can generate as many images as you want without any time. Let's go ahead and create using a serene image with simple and pelicans. So this is going to cost us 11 tokens. Let's generate this. So you wait till these get to 100. It will generate 4 images for you. Now, look at this. Look at this. Here are a few things you might want to know. Number one, that you should really know is the image dimensions. You can set the dimensions of the image based on what you want to do. The dimensions I'm using now are 1024 by 768. Another thing will be the aspect ratio. Okay, I would want to use 16 ratio 9. 16 ratio 9. That is for standard screen, standard widescreen. If you are creating for phone portrait format, you will go for 9 ratio 16. Then another thing is the model you want to use here. If you click this, you see different models that you can use. Anyone you choose will give you different output, although similar. Let's go ahead and create using this Leonardo Vision 18. See, the aspect ratio, the resolution is 1024 by 768. Aspect ratio 4:3. So there we have it. This is what we have. How do you download? Just click on any of the images. You can upscale this as making it sharper. Just click on this upscale. It will make it more effective for use. Just finish upscaling. Click download to view the image. So here it has finished.
So far, what I've done is use simple prompts.
What's amazing is that we can use other AI tools to supercharge the power of Leonardo AI and other similar AI tools. We're going to use Char GPT to create a super prompt.
We're going to combine the power of Chat GPT and Leonardo AI to create even more realistic images. Here, I have some powerful prompts that we will give Chat GPT, and Chat GPT will now go ahead and create a prompt that we will use in Leonardo AI. You don't need to bother yourself with the details of this, but if you are a photographer here, or you are into graphics design, some of the things here will make sense. What we have here is photorealistic images, meaning it should look as if it was taken with camera. All these details, look at all this. We'll just copy this. I'll copy everything and go to Chat GPT, link on the screen, paste, and then hit enter. Now Chat GPT is ready. The keyword I'm going to use is the same keyword I've been using. The keyword here is what you want to create. I will just copy this and bring it back to ChatGPT. So it is going to create a number of prompts for me, which I will just take to Leonardo or any image generator. I'm going to just copy this. Copy. Remove these quotes and drum rolls. Because we gave it more details, it is able to give us more qualitative images. I'll go ahead and edit this keyword. Say a YouTube studio with neon lights. Blue and orange neon lights and submit. So I just like this photorealistic. Let's do it here. And let's generate and see. Are you as odd as I am? I'm going to make this wider and make it wider, and then try different. Take note of your tokens. When you exhaust them, you can't create again. So this is 9:16, suitable for mobile phones. I'm going to make it white screen now. Isn't this just lovely? Scale. I'm going to leave the link to these super prompts that you can try out. I hope these demonstrations have sparked your imagination and showcased the limitless potentials of AI in the world of image creation. Well, thank you for being a part of this creative journey. Who is ready to dive even deeper into the world of generative AI? Let's explore your questions and uncover more secrets together. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section and I'll take my time to answer them. Maybe I'll pick a topic from one of your questions. I'll see you in the next webinar. Thank you for staying through. Bye-bye.